One of the interesting transitions occurring in society right now is a transition of what one might call a dictatorship of experts and technocrats into a dictatorship of computer systems and algorithms. The philosophical origins of the governance by technocrats can be stemmed back to Plato in his discourse on the Republic, where he argued that society is best ruled by the philosopher king, being the archetype of individuals who best encapsulate our knowledge systems. Plato's view was that these individuals would better lead society given their supreme devotion to knowledge, as opposed to other individuals who would be prone to be led more by their ambition and the desire for power. But as we've clearly seen, having run the technocratic experiment for some time, the philosophers become corrupt. This is in contrast to what we're discovering with technologies like blockchain, where computer systems and algorithms can better become stewards of our knowledge systems, as opposed to the technocratic philosophers who are prone to error and corruption.